So today I went to the market and I bought these machines. Of course, I love trying new different kinds of actually blow drying machine or maybe stuff products from Turkey. And this one is the one that I picked for my 4C hair. You can see I had trimmed earlier, I had trimmed my hair, and I want to try this machine out to see how effective it's gonna be. If it is good, I'm gonna be recommending guys to you to actually use it. Okay, now this is a brand made in Turkey or Turkey. Okay, I'm gonna open it and then we're gonna try on my hair. I already cleansed my hair. It is super clean with amazing shampoo, Pinter shampoo from Turkey also, and I wanna try to straighten my hair. 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago I had trimmed my hair, that's why you can see, but the shrinkage, like our 4C hair is just amazing. You can see the shrinking or shrinkage. So let's open. Adrian, don't make noise, I'm making my video. So this is how it's gonna look like when I open. I love the packaging, I love this packaging, but let's see.
Wow!
My little girl, she's here, she's gonna make noise. So inside it is like this, and it has this stuff for actually how you're gonna be using. So it is very simple but very nice. And then it is like this. I love this stuff because they are super strong compared to the other one that I had. And also here we have the adjustment for heat, and the cable is super long. So let's see, I hope it's gonna be nice for my hair. It has this, and it is, as you can see, it is super nice. And also this is from Arzum Superstar. Let's see, I don't know. Right now you can see it is working. So we have for Mustafa Break, we have for 220, this is maximum, 210, 200 and 200, 190. You can adjust. So this is for adjustment. Now I understand. So I'll keep it at I think I'll keep it at 150 to see. I'm gonna keep it at 150, the heat for 150, and see. 150 my hair. I think I love this machine already. I'm gonna try to add to increase the heat to 160 and see. So this is the result after making all of the halfway, and I'm still loving this machine. For the first time, I have to admit that this is a good brand when it comes to actually blow drying. And the best thing is that it is not breaking my hair like the other machines that I have used previously. So I'll give this 8 out of 10 actually, because of the amazing work that it is doing. And I have set the heat at 180 Celsius just to see how it's gonna be. And I think I love my hair, like it's just amazing. And you can see within a few minutes I have done already the half part, okay, and it is amazing, you know. And also one thing I love about this machine, it doesn't make noise. It is very simple, very elegant, and it is not making the normal noise like when you are blow drying your hair and you are hearing boom. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish the other side, and I'll see you next, okay? Starting at the tip, just to slowly comb it through like this to detangle, just slowly without breaking my hair, okay. And also I'm using my hand to detangle, or rather I'll just let it be and then try to do like this, detangle my fussy hair just like this. So the reason why I'm starting at this top, at this side, it is because I want to remove these ones, these little things that are actually preventing the hair to go straight. So it's gonna come off. It is just hair that has been rolled and rolled. We don't need it. So this machine is good because it is just slowly removing them, okay, until I have a very smooth hair. And then I'll go deeper and start blow drying at the bottom, okay. So I'm gonna finish this side and I'll let you to see the outcome. So guys, at last I'm done with my blow drying. I love this machine, really. I'm in love with it. It has been so amazing. It has done a very incredible job, and I'm just amazed. I thought maybe it won't work, but this one is one of the best machine when it comes to Fosi hair. Okay, I'm talking about Fosi hair because you need something strong, and this one has that strong tooth or teeth. This one's okay. It's very strong, very good for Fosi hair because our Fosi hair is not easy. It's not easy to handle, so you need something strong. And also the fact that it has heat adjustment, I just love it. And also the fact that it doesn't make noise, like even when the baby is sleeping you can do your stuff and go. And it is just amazing. You can see how my hair looks like, even though I had trimmed my hair, so that's why it is still in short form. But I'm loving the transformation. Do you love it? Like, how do you think, how can you rate my hair in terms of the blow drying machine? For me, I think it is enough this way because I don't want to overdo my hair, too much heat, because it's also not good for Fosi hair. So for now, I think I'm good to go, and I'll be using it and also testing some other blow drying machines to see, or maybe other beauty products made in Turkey or Turkey, just to see how they are functioning. For now, I love this brand. I love this kind of machine. Okay, so guys, until next time, I'll see you. Bye. I have to clean up, take a shower, then do something else. Okay. Should I do a small style, guys, or should I let it be like this? But I want to take a shower, so I need to make sure that maybe I do it now. So something else I love about this machine is that you can actually do it by your own. Like, you don't need to go to the salon to do your hair. If you have this kind of machine, you can do it from home or at home, and then just shampoo your hair, clean your hair very well, and do your own hair using this small tool. It is very effective at home, and also it is very easy. My hands are not tight, are not too much tired. And it doesn't take a lot of time compared to the other machines that I have used. It doesn't take a lot of time to actually finish your hair. So guys, as you can see, this is my hair. I'm done. I'm gonna pull it up, do it like this, because I want to go to take a shower. And yeah, so this was one of the best machines that I have used. Incredible machine, and I'll recommend, guys, if you can buy this type of machine. So I'll leave it like this because I want to go to take shower.